Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Today we learn flower drawing. At first, we draw a circle shape, the middle part of the flower. Next, we draw many flower petals to make the flower more attractive. We draw a curve. We draw a curve. Flowers are like nature's colorful confetti. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some flowers smell sweet and yummy. Other flowers have a strong, spicy scent. Now, it's time to coloring. Yellow color. Flowers have petals, which are like little wings. The center of a flower is where the pollen lives. Pollen helps flowers make seeds for new plants. Bees and butterflies love to visit flowers for their nectar. The sun helps flowers grow big and strong. Blue color. Water is also important for flowers to drink. Some flowers grow on trees while others grow in the ground. Orange color. Flowers can be red, yellow, blue, pink, and many more colors. Red color. We can plant flowers in gardens to make them pretty. Flowers can be used to make perfumes and other scents. Purple color. Some flowers are even used in cooking, like edible roses. Flowers are a great way to brighten up a room or a space. Brown color. We can give flowers to people we love. Flowers symbolize many things like love, beauty, and joy. Green color. Flowers are a reminder of nature's beauty all around us. Learning about flowers can be a fun and interesting adventure. Golden color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.